Alright, so today we're underneath my wife's 1998 E36 BMW. We had some issues with the car having a squeaking and thumping noise underneath the car. And it was the center support bearing. It actually ripped along the bottom down here. So I just finished putting this section all back together. But just a really quick rundown on how you do this is you drop the exhaust, as you can see right there. Take the 6 bolts out from in here. Take the 6 bolts out, drop this, mark your drive shafts. As you can see here, there's a mark there and a mark here. The drive shaft is balanced, so if you don't mark it, it will give you some vibration. And then mark it as well up here, just so you have correct alignment. So, but anyways, after you take these out and this out, and this is marked, take this out. This is a pain in the butt to take out. I used a puller to pull it out. Unfortunately, it ripped the old one, as you can see here, but it was already halfway ripped to begin with. So once I got the actual bearing off the drive shaft, just replaced it with the new one. There's a clip on the back side over here, back in here, that you have to take out to get the drive shaft apart and whatnot. So, but it takes about 2 to 3 hours to do this. I'm doing it in the garage with only 2 jacks, so it's kind of a bit of a pain in the butt. But as you can see, if you have any problems with this in your car, as I said, with the thumping or squeaking noise underneath the car, most likely it's that. While you're down here and you replace this, you might as well replace the Guibo or center support, or not center support, but the flex disc that goes to the drive shaft as well. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.